Now I am going to discuss already we done we discussed another Oracle function declaration. In this declaration we have one function, same function we are using here. Okay, this is a declaration beginning and end. Here we are using this function. Already we explained this first video. Okay, now we are using going to discuss Oracle function using tables. This already we are discussed. This is a declaration. In this declaration we are using find function. Okay, this function name here is there. Okay, in this declaration same control enter, it will show 230. Same way we are going to discuss another example, Oracle function example using a table. This is ID, name, department, salary, customers table. In customers table we have create or replace function, total number of customers. This is a function declaration, return type beginning and star count, star from totals. Same way we are going to call this function is created. Now calling Oracle function. Okay, we are going to call another Oracle function. See here, this is a here function is declared. The name is total customers. Okay, first I am going to create. Now I am going to use control delete control. Just here what I am going to do, I am going to create. See here, function total customers compiled. Okay, compiled successfully. One next step we are going to call function declare beginning and end. In this declare calling Oracle function. Now we are going to call Oracle function. Okay, here declare number, total numbers. Okay, in C declaration section C, here we are going to use 2 digits. Okay, 2 digits and it will show 99 max. See here, total number of customers 10. Okay, if you have doubt, just going to call this function, control C, copy, just enter. Okay, see here, missing function. Okay, now I am going to call total count from customers. Here remove, just enter. See here 10. Okay, into total we are returning total number. Okay, this way we are what is this Oracle function example using a table. In this function example we are using a table. Here select star, select count star into total is input output. Okay, here we are returning the same. This is function declaration. Okay, return create or replace function total customers, return number. Okay, here we are using is. In is we are declaring one number. The number is total. The total again we are returning. This is selected to query into we are returning. This way we are completed. Same in declaration, function is created, we are calling. Where is the what is here? Go and this is total customers. Okay, this is a total customer calling Oracle function. Now we are going to calling this Oracle function total number. Just declare and beginning end. Here we are calling a total number of count. Just enter. It will show total number of customers 10. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. In this single quotes we are giving a pipe symbol total number of count C 55. This way we are completing Oracle recursive function. We are going to use recursive function. Okay, this is the recursive function is declare inside we have function also. Okay, what is the recursive function? Okay, now we are going to discuss the recursive function. Control delete. Okay, this way just drag down. This is a function. Here fact, here we are using this is a declare and a beginning end. Same way here we are using the fact numbers. Same way this we are going to use. Here in beginning section we are given 6. Okay, just control enter. See here factor 6 factor 720. Just we are doing int. Okay, this is a condition function fact number. We are giving one number. Here return type is we are declaring again one number f. If that f if x equal to 0, assigning value here x equal to 0, we are giving 1. Okay, else part x equal to this x equal to not equal to 0, x not equal to 0, just we giving x. Here already fact okay minus 1. Here just we are using if you give 6 here 6 into 5 go painter. First we are giving 6. Take pen, write. Okay, first we are giving 6 star. Here 6 minus 1 we are giving 5. Okay, this assigning to f. Okay, again what we are going to do, again we are going to do 4, again we are going to do 3, again we are going to do 2, again we are going to 1. Okay, this way we are go to calculator. Same way we are going to do in calculation. Okay, minimize. Okay, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into, see here after into 1. Okay, this way we are got total values. We have a fact, we are calling the fact, again it will returning. Okay, this way we are completed this declaration. Factory name number we are assigning number is this is inside of we are this number we are calling here. Okay, with 2 pipelines is factorial. We have to use single quotes. factorial name is this. We no need to use this colon. Okay, just enter here. This way we are printing. Otherwise use the Control Z. If you want to, we can use again single quotes. This value also it will print. Here factorial 6. What happened? Oh. Oh, factorial values. We are going to this is factorial. This is a total. We are here calling name here same way factorial. This is the beginning where we are declared this factorial. We are declared this is a factorial. Control F. Here in declaration section we are using two numbers. There is a factorial. In this is a function. Same factorial we are returning. Okay, this way we are recursive. We are completed a recursive program also. Declaration inside this is a function. Same function we are calling. Okay, in this declaration just we are calling. This is a logic. Okay, function beginning and return F. Same way we are completed to calculate a factorial of a number. Okay, this way we are completed. Okay, drop function. Just we are going to use drop function name. What is my function name? Just going to use here drop function name. My function name is where is fact. Okay, just I am going to use a function. We are not going to drop this function. Why? Because inside is there. Okay, we are going to drop function. Just use this function we can drop. Why? Because this is one function we are calling another program. We can use drop. Control okay, drop func function where function name. My function name is oh sorry. Okay, we are going to same way we are going to drop the functions. Just we give name, it is directly going to drop. Okay, now I am going to